Hello friends, in this video we will discuss two problems from IIT 2016 which are based on dimensional analysis. First problem says A, B, C and D are four different physical quantities having different dimensions. None of them is dimensionless. This equation is given here. A, D equals C ln. This is the log base 10 is called as ln. And B, D. So there are four quantities A, B, C and D. So you know the ln is a dimensionless. That means this dimension of AD should equal dimension of C. So dimension of AD would be equal to dimension of C. So we can write it like this. Dimension A of A times dimension of D would equal dimension of C. So from this we can also write it dimension of D equals dimension of C divided by this A would become here in the bottom. So dimension of C divided by dimension of A. This is equation first. The same way we can also check this dimensionless quantity. ln is dimensionless. That means this BD is the dimensionless. You know dimensionless quantity has the dimension 1. So dimension of BD should equal 1. We can write it dimension of B times dimension of D should equal 1. Then again we can get from here dimension of D equals 1 over dimension of B. So this is the equation number 2. Now you can compare the equation 1 and equation 2. So we got here dimension of D as dimension of C over A and here dimension of D 1 over dimension of D. So we can set them equal. So dimension of C over dimension of A should equal 1 over dimension of B. Now we can multiply both sides by A. So we can write it dimension of C would equal dimension of A over dimension of B. So we got this, or dimension of C would equal dimension of A over B. So these two quantities have the same dimension, so they can be added or subtracted. You know the rule. Rule says quantities with the same dimension can be added or subtracted. So these quantities can be added or subtracted. So here you can see choice number 3. There A over B like this quantity and C are being subtracted. Or they both have the same dimension. So this choice is correct. So here is the second example. The problem says in the following I refers to the current and other symbols have their usual meaning. So we have to find the dimension of electrical conductivity here. Electrical conductivity is the reciprocal of electrical resistivity. I am going to use the formula R equals rho L over A. Here R is the resistance, rho is the electrical resistivity and L is the length and A is the area. So first we need to rearrange this formula to find the electrical resistivity, this one. So this will give us rho R times A over L. This is the formula of electrical resistivity, and conductivity is just reverse of resistivity. So conductivity is, the symbol is conductivity of sigma. So sigma equals 1 over rho. So that means we have to reverse this formula. So L will go up, R times A would go down. So L over R times A. This is the formula of electrical conductivity. Here L is the base quantity and A is the area and R is the resistance. So first let's find the unit of resistance here. R equals, you know, voltage over current, and voltage equals E times D. Now we can also break this E. E is the electric field. Electric field equals force over Q. Break it again. Q equals IT. So we will get force over charge equals current times time, D over I. Let's plug in all the dimension. Dimension of force is ml T minus 2. Dimension of D is L and this is I square. So here it says I is refers to current, so we will plug in I square, and for T it's time. So finally we got R equals m L square T minus 3 divided by I minus 2. Just plug in this value over here. So we will get sigma equals, for L it's L, for R M L square T minus 3 I minus 2. For area it's L square. So 1 L would be cancelled out from here, and so we get M would go up, M raised to the power minus 1, L square, and this L, this would become L cube, and it will go up L minus 3. T here negative power, so when it go up it would be positive power. Now I again positive power. So this is the dimension of electrical conductivity. Choice 3 is correct here. This choice 3 is correct here. I hope you understand these problems here. If you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment box given below. Thank you.